So just in case my really useful openwrt iPhone to gigabit bridge thing here were to fail, wanted to get another one, and today I tried to get another one of these for $20, but I was unable to get it. And then I found another deal that was for $10 that in theory could maybe do the same thing as this one. This is like almost literally the cheapest router on the for sale, and it's some sort of German product, and it came with this somebody couldn't sell it because it has this like German plug thing, right? And apparently I can put openwrt on this the same way I did as the other thing I have. But so what I did is I was looking around. It actually says on the back what it needs. It needs 1.4 amps and 12 volts, DC positive on center. And this one here is 800 mA, 12 volts positive on center. And I'm not sure if it's going to work. I mean, it's great that I have one. I didn't want to have to like splice. I could just splice their cable here and put in just another one that's spec'd properly. But I mean, if it's going to work, maybe it's okay to be on the 800. I mean, I don't want to have anything like blow up or like burn down because I didn't use the right thing. But it's probably okay. So I got this Apple. This is for an Apple Airport, whatever it is, and I think it's spec'd a little bit better than the other one. I'm a little bit concerned with the other one, and so it seems to fit in. So I'm not sure which is the center. It's supposed to be positive center, so I'm going to check that out now. Okay, so the side is in the middle, and I'm getting the right thing, so I'm guessing that's probably going to be correct and probably a better match than the other one. So I think I'm going to I'll just double test it with the other one, make sure I get the same things with the same probe, just make sure I get the polarity right. Okay, dudes, cross your finger. Was it non-polarized? Please work. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to go with this one, and hopefully it's not like too big that's putting a lot of pressure on the cable. It's kind of a big connector, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it looks like the getting the openwrt software in here is a little more tricky than the past ones using the FTP utility. Have to run some sort of Python thing that copies some sort of initial software environment to it at a certain time in its boot process. Then it's like under the control of openwrt, and then you can log in and then reflash the thing by using some sort of a secure copy command, and you have to run a shell command on the thing, and then you'd have the basic WRT. Then after that, I would have to put on the relevant modules for the iPhone connection and the iPhone daemon, like I did last time. So in theory, it probably is going to work, but I mean, it could not work. This weird kind of aircraft shape is like a Horton Ho 80 or something. Okay, so it is a Fritz box. 7362SL. Okay, so I've managed to have it boot up on the openwrt root, and now I have to do the login procedure, but this flashing is telling me that it's got to the first stage. Okay, so I have the flash file on managed to get a copy of this is the temporary folder of that thing. I'm about to run the upgrade command, so here we go. Okay, so I guess it's doing whatever it's doing. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so at this point, I'm guessing I have a WRT German weird ass thing. Okay, well I haven't got the wireless working yet, but a lot of times I just turn the wireless off anyway because it's kind of a security risk. But you see, there's my phone here, and my phone is where the actual internet is going through. It's going to the USB through there. It's going back. Actually, I was using that as a big hub. It's going back into my computer, and it's in slow speed right now. But this is going through that phone, through that router. So I got the networking working, and mostly I think I just had to enable it. It's a little bit perplexing, but I think they did that because it would have no security, so the default is not to have it enabled. So I turned off my physical line and enabled the wireless here, and I'm just checking out, see how it's working here. Just go to YouTube.
stuff. So I'll have to see which one's better, because I think the clock rate on this router is slightly higher, so it might be better at just sort of shuffling or latency of data. So we'll see how it turns out.